All right, moving on. The sampling distribution of p hats to be approximately normal. We require that n times p times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10. If this requirement is not satisfied, we use the binomial probability formula to determine the p-value. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 48.9% of males aged 20 to 39 years consume the recommended daily requirement of calcium. After an aggressive Got Milk advertising campaign, the USDA conducts a survey of 35 randomly selected males aged 20 to 39 and finds that 21 of them consume the recommended daily allowance, RDA, of calcium at the alpha equaling 0.1 level of significance. Is there evidence to conclude that the percentage of males who aged 20 to 39 who consume the RDA of calcium has increased? Okay, let's first go through our criteria like we would normally do. Is it random? Yes. Is 21 less than 5% of the population? Yes. Okay, now on to approximately normal. Sample size was, this should be 35. Sample size is 35. P sub 0 is 0.489. Take that again from 1. You should get 8.7. That is less than 10. So that means you need to use binomial probability formula. If you look at your overview sheet, again, we're on this side, and here is the binomial distribution formula. So number 5 on your calculator sheet. So let's set up our null and our alternative. We're working with proportions at 0.489 and increased. So we're looking for greater than. All right, so we need a probability. We're looking for greater than. So we're going to put greater than here. And how many did they find that consumed it? 21. So we want greater than or equal to the 21. So greater than, we're going to use number 2 here. So we're going to do 1 minus, and then binomial CDF. Careful, binomial CDF. Then you're going to enter your trials. So how many trials do we have? 35. What's your probability? 0.489. And then you're going to take your A. So that was 21 in that I wrote down here. So we take 21 minus 1, so 20. You should get 0.1261. Now we have a probability. This is our p-value. Compare it to your alpha. This is greater than 0.1. So you do not reject the null. So we're going with the null that I circled. I'm not saying accepting it, I'm just saying we do not reject it. So there is not sufficient evidence at the alpha equaling 0.1 level of significance to conclude that the proportion of 20 to 39-year-old males who consume the recommended daily allowance of calcium has increased. That is the end of this lesson. Please let me know if you have any questions.